If you're looking for a quick, easy and reliable install, then the ideal push-in wire connectors are a quality, proven solution. They are designed for easy installation of solid and stranded wire, while providing a superior, secure hold for premium performance. By utilizing the latest spring design technologies, they provide a dependable connection and can accommodate multiple wires of different types and sizes, from 0.75 to 4 square millimeter for solid wires, and 1.5 to 2.5 square millimeter for stranded wires. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 port models are available, along with a 3-port connector capable of handling 6 square millimeter wire. For solid and stranded wire, just strip the wire and push it in. Easy and permanent installations. Their compact design means they take up very little space in junction boxes, while the clear housing allows you to quickly check that each individual conductor is inserted fully and making proper contact. Additionally, a check port gives you convenient access for continuity testing. Ideal pushing connectors can be used in all electrical applications up to 450 volts and up to 41 amps, including lighting and main ring applications. Ideal pushing connectors are 18th edition CE, UKCA and UL listed for splicing and grounding wire connectors. They're a fast and simple way to join solid and stranded wires. Fast, secure